It's definitely chilly this morning.
That sure is. We've been below normal for the past 5 days straight. We're going to make it a 6th day in a row as well. Our normal high temperature should be into those upper 50s. We were in the low 40s for a majority of us. Appleton only coming in at a high of 43 degrees. Green Bay 47, but oh, we saw that white stuff flying around, didn't we? The first flakes of the season actually sticking to the grass out in the areas. Say it ain't snow. Rob Lehman getting that into Tigerton. Now it feels pretty early, doesn't it? We actually had our first flakes on October 14th, which is right on par with 2020, 2019, 2018. And we usually see our first flakes around averagely October 25th. So what about up there, up north in the UP and the snow belt? Look at Ironwood, Michigan, getting hammered with over a foot of snowfall there. As you can see, they picked up 14.3 inches. Guile coming in at 18 inches of snowfall. Even Kimball, Wisconsin at a foot of snow as well. So a little bit of a snowmobile base going on there. Unfortunately, this is probably going to melt, but you could still see a winter storm warning in effect for Marquette. Still coming down that lake effect snow even into Mackinac as well as Maine, Michigan areas too. So right now into the UP, we're seeing that Pembine, Armstrong Creek, seeing a few flurries flying. Same thing with Door County on occasion. You're seeing that from Ephraim to Sturgeon Bay. This is going to be the case on and off today from those strong winds from this system that again is barely moving. It kicked off to the east yesterday. It's going to slowly kick up to the north by tomorrow, but it is bringing some extreme wind gusts to the area. Sands, Michigan at a 54-mile-per-hour gust. Keweenaw Point 53. So here for us into Door County, we're in a high wind warning today until 7 p.m. where we could see gusts up to 55 miles per hour. A wind advisory along the lake there, even into Brown County as well. So if you have any objects outside, they might be rolling around out there by the afternoon. Gusts already up to 40 miles per hour throughout Door County. 35-mile-per-hour gusts out of the northwest here into Green Bay right now. Notice it gets worse before it gets better. Through this afternoon, it will get worse, ripping more leaves off the trees. It has now put Aconto and Wapaka be past peak now. You guys were at peak just yesterday, but the system has taken some of that off. So here we go for us. As we look, we can see that this is going to continue to bring a few wintry mix, spotty flurries through our day today into Door County, Lakeshore area, while the rest of us just stay cloudy out there with some cooler temperatures still in place. By tomorrow, the system does lift up to the north. It takes the winds and lessens them a little bit, but look what's off to the west. That is a warm front. We're going to see some sunshine by tomorrow afternoon, still staying into the 40s. A few clouds pushing back in by the evening hours, but a big change is going to happen. This cooler air that's all the way into the Dakotas to where we are right now is going to flip-flop with some warmer air. So we just got to make it through the next few days. Temperatures right now crisp and cool, below freezing into the Northwoods, Pembine, Antigo, Mountain, as well as Appleton and Watoma. You're at that freezing mark of 32 degrees too, plus the constant wind. This is the sustained wind. These are not the gusts. It's blowing constantly at 20 miles an hour, so it's making it feel like the low 20s. In fact, it feels like 13 degrees into Antigo this morning. Gloves, hat, boots. 'Tis the season. Highs only climbing to those low to mid 40s, gusts up to 45 miles per hour for majority of us. Tonight we crash below freezing. A few flurries could fly into the Fox Valley, no accumulations. And by tomorrow into the mid to upper 40s. Still windy, gusts up to 25, but less than we've been feeling here the past 24 hours. Much more sunshine on tap for us. And look at that warm up. I'm talking major changes here. We're going to be into the 50s and 60s before we push into this weekend, and maybe even some 70s. We want to try to hang on to those Sunday and Monday, but it does look like a major system wants to downpour on us, and maybe even some stronger, potentially severe storms Monday into Tuesday. We're going to keep an eye on that system, but that's when you take two massive changes in air. I mean, below freezing now to 70s, you get some storms.
Right, I was going to say, I can't believe we're in for another massive warm-up. It's like it's going back and forth on us.
Gotta love Wisconsin.
Right, exactly. Thanks, Brittany.